going to teach you how to add your n8n workflow to n8n AI. We'll walk through a simple process that lets n8n's AI understand and use one of your existing workflows when it's generating automations. This is great when you already have a reliable flow and you want AI to reference your logic rather than reinventing it from scratch. Start by opening n8n and heading to the Workflows page. Think of this as your home base where all your automations live. Take a second to confirm you're in the right workspace and that you can see the list of workflows you've created or have access to. If you keep your workflows well named and documented, this step is much smoother because you'll quickly spot the one you want to connect to AI. Now, open the workflow you want to use. Choose something stable and well-tested, ideally with clear node names and a short description so its purpose is obvious. A tidy, descriptive workflow helps the AI better interpret what it does and how it could be used to solve new problems. If you've been meaning to clean up labels or add notes, doing that before integrating with AI can pay off later in clarity and consistency. Once the workflow is open, look at the top menu. You'll see familiar controls like Execute Step, Deactivate, Delete, and Add to AI. These buttons manage the lifecycle of your workflow: testing, pausing, removing, and, what we're focusing on today, connecting the workflow to n8n AI. If you're ever unsure which control to use, hover over them to read the short tooltips and confirm you've got the right one. Click Add to AI. With that single action, you're telling n8n that this workflow is available to its AI features. In practical terms, this means when the AI is generating automations or recommending ways to solve a task, it can understand and leverage the structure and capabilities of this specific workflow. You're essentially giving the AI a ready-made building block that it can reference, which can make its suggestions faster, more accurate, and more aligned with how you already operate. After adding it, keep best practices in mind. Maintain clear naming, avoid hard-coding secrets in nodes, and use credential management as intended. When you later update the workflow, those improvements help AI continue to interpret it correctly. And that's all it takes. By opening n8n, selecting your workflow, locating the top menu, and choosing Add to AI, you've made your automation available for smarter, AI-assisted generation. This small step can make a big difference in how quickly and accurately you can scale your automation ideas.